Hello guys, welcome to Python for Finance day 4.5. Yes, I'm saying it day 4.5 because I have already recorded lecture for day 5. Then I realized that there are some the two topics missing in between. So this is day 4.5. Okay, so let's start. What we are going to learn today is remaining two data types. No doubt there are many other data type as well, but at a basic level in Python, you can say these following data types are needed to understand at a basic level. So they are string, we have completed, integer, int, this also we have completed, and float. The remaining twos are none and boolean. Very small topic. Each topic will take not more than 5 minutes. Then in further lecture from lecture 6, we will be learning list. Then in lecture 7, tuples. Then in lecture 8, dictionary and set. So this will be the coming lecture structure. And yes, I have not mentioned the day 6. I will be revising a small concept which are used multiple time in this following series from lecture 7 to 9. So let's jump into these two remaining data type, none and boolean. So what is none? In a simple way, I can say none is nothing but the word nothing itself. Okay. It is a Python's way of saying nothing. So let's say I am just taking an example, try to understand. If we search for a company, let's say company name is XYZ, and let's assume that it has not paid any dividend till today. If we search it in a Google, yes, Google will give a very readable way. The result that Google will throw us will be easier to understand. There will be lots of context, but for the purpose of understanding none, let's say you are searching for a company, you are like how much does company XYZ has paid dividend till today. As we know, we have assumed that it has not paid, so the result will come like none. Okay, so kind of saying nothing. It is easy to define in Python. For example, let me define a variable. This is none is equal to none. Just we will type this keyword none. You will find an orange color or a brownish color, none highlighted. So this is inbuilt feature or the keyword of Python. So that's why it is highlighted. And if we use the variable to print this none in output, how it will look? Simply it will show us none. Let's also check the data type of this variable. The data type that variable store in itself. The variable name is this is none. And let's re-execute this file. You can see the output is showing us none type. So basically this says the data type that the variable this is none store is none type. We can also say rename this as var1 for better example. Like let's say we use some different way of defining variable. Yes, it will throw the same thing as we can see in the console. So that's it. This was about none. we will be using this none when I will be explaining you about function, where we will be creating our own function in Python. Now let's jump into Boolean. Boolean are nothing but true or false. So let's say this underscore t, a variable I have defined. Let's assign them a value true and let's print this underscore t. So the results throws us is true. If I check the data type, then what it will throw? See, the another way of calling boolean is bool. Similarly, if I just copy this and change this to false and change this to f, and again I'm just copying and pasting, you may, for the practice purpose, please do type manually. And if I now try to re-execute this file, at the last line and the second last line, it will show bool and false respectively. See, second last line it shows false and the last line it shows bool. So that is it for this lecture. These were the two remaining things which were a subtopic of types of data in Python. Another which I have categorized it as data structure, we will be learning from lecture number 6. Thank you, and please make sure that do like this video if it is helping you. Do share with your peers, your friends, your relatives who are interested in learning programming or financial programming. Thank you.